Good afternoon, Seahawks, and welcome to this week's episode of Geographic. This week, we're going to talk about something not many of us have to worry about here at the Dub, unless you live in California, Washington, Oregon, or Hawaii, that is. It's the world of volcanoes this week. I'm your host, Maddie Peterson, and in case you forgot, you're watching Geographic. We've all seen them, whether as our elementary science fair projects or as harbingers of doom in any sci-fi movie. But no matter how you've learned about them, volcanoes have always played some small or large part in our lives. But this year we got a more realistic taste of a volcano's power, as Hawaii's own Kilauea erupted on May 6th of this year, forcing mandatory evacuations across the Big Island. Lava flows cut off major highways, damaged property, and ash and other toxins filled the air throughout the region. In addition to Kilauea, according to a United States Geological Survey report released earlier this week, there are approximately 160 active volcanoes on the North American plate, 18 of which are being closely observed in terms of threat assessment. But what exactly is a volcano? Geographic reporter Ashley-Brooke is in the studio to explain.
Thanks, Maddie. To put it simply, a volcano is a hole in the Earth's crust that allows molten rock to emerge from under the surface. Everybody knows the classic conical shape of volcanoes, but that's not the only type. The conical type that we all know is called a stratovolcano, and it is formed when two tectonic plates converge. Some volcanoes form over hotspots called shield volcanoes. Hawaii's Kilauea volcano is a prime example of this type. But to get a more hands-on look at how volcanoes form and erupt, we decided to build one for ourselves. Check it out.
Hi guys, we are here with our volcano. Now it has taken us a few steps to get to this point, so cue the time lapse as we get ready for our volcano to erupt. Mixing our citric acid in here. First step. I don't really know how much to put in there. I didn't really expect. Very exciting. Now we're doing something a little different from the instructions. So apparently if you add a little bit of dish soap, your reaction is a little bit more intense. So we're gonna add a few drops. Exciting, bubbling. Ooh. Very exciting.
Well, I definitely had fun making that volcano and learned a lot about the volcanoes in the process. Back to you, Maddie.
Thanks, Ashley-Brooke. As catastrophic as volcanic eruptions may seem from examples like Kilauea and Mount St. Helens, they are nature's engines of equilibrium. True, they are devastating, but the elements they bring to the crust are key ingredients for many types of biological life, both flora and fauna, and even provide nutrients to our very own atmosphere. I hope you all enjoyed learning a little bit about volcanoes today, and thanks for watching this week's episode. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to UNCW TealTV on all your social media platforms, and see you next week, Seahawks.